Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I need some bubble tea first. So, in today's video, we're going to be trying out the FENTY Eaze Drop Primer. I mean, not primer, foundation. What am I thinking? Primer. Foundation. I did a poll the other day on my Instagram story and I have an overwhelming amount of yeses. So I was like, hey, well, you guys want to see a review on this? I will review on it. So before we get started, of course, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video. And give this a thumbs up if you love Fenty beauty, anything, or if you're just having a great day. You know, definitely help me out a lot. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. And let's get started with the video. Okay, guys, so this is Fenty Beauty's new product. This is their Eaze Drop Skin Tint. So this costs $39 Canadian, which is not a bad price, considering the fact you get a little bit over a fluid ounce, so it's not bad. Again, it's light, medium, buildable coverage. It is supposed to be very lightweight. It's a liquid foundation. It's vegan. It's supposed to give a natural finish, and it's also free of parabens and phthalates. And of course, as the product name is, it is a blurring product, so it'll blur out your pores, smooth everything out, give it an even skin tone or even texture, sorry. And this also comes in 25 shades, which isn't bad. And again, because this is a light coverage, you can use one shade and intertwine between like the two Fenty Beauty foundations. So the shade that I picked for this one is number 7. So if you are shade 240 or 250, you both can use this because it is such a light coverage. You can get away with that. And also the fact that, you know, spring is here or coming and summer is coming. We kind of want something more lightweight and doesn't feel too heavy and cakey over the hot summer. So this actually, it works, right? So anyways, enough blabbering. We're gonna go with the demonstration so you guys can see how it performed when I initially put it on. And, you know, I did a couple check-ins. So yeah, let's go. I need another clip to clip back the rest of my hair. Let's grab a foundation brush. So I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush brush. So I don't know how long wearing this is, but hopefully it lasts for a long time. And also on the back of the box, it's for all skin tones, blends and blurs into instant perfection and light as air. So it's also great that it is vegan. And I don't know how much I need, so this is how much a drop is so far. And the consistency is quite runny, so it tells me that isn't going to be thick, but then again they do advertise it as quite light and airy. And I hope hopefully you guys can see it doesn't feel heavy either. It doesn't feel too thick, it feels very watery. So we're just gonna dot this on the face, and hopefully I got a good shade. Only because some of them were either too warm or they were kind of neutral. Yeah, so some of them would be too warm, too yellowy or something like that. I think number 5 was warm with yellow undertones. Number 6 was cool. And number 8 would have been, I believe, a little bit too dark for me right now. So that's why I did not grab that. I do say you need quite a bit of product for this though, because I think I did like a drop and a bit and I'm already done. But of course, squeeze a little every time because we don't want to waste products. So this blends out really, really nicely. And again, this is supposed to be a light to medium coverage. It's a nice dewy effect too. I really like that. But hopefully throughout the day that you know, I don't look like an oil slick. You guys can probably tell this is really early in the morning for me right now because my voice is very, very raspy. It's like I'm still trying to wake up. So I have an acne scar down here, and there is not much coverage on there. I mean, there's like a little bit, but you can still see it peeking through. So it does what it says. It's very light to medium coverage, but it looks like it can be buildable. I don't know how my nose is gonna be like throughout the day. So we definitely shall see. Okay, so let's take a closer look. initially speaking, it gives kind of like this very soft matte look. It's not completely matte because I do see a bit of glow on there. Very light to medium coverage. Sorry about that. Like I said, this acne scar right here, it kind of covered, not really, it's still peeking through. So it does give a natural finish. My pores look pretty blurred. And in terms of color, I mean, the color doesn't look too bad. So hopefully I did a good match, you know, out in natural light. But other than that, first impressions, not that bad. So we shall see. This could be a new foundation for a daily wears, but we shall see. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, my brows and all that stuff, and then obviously we're gonna do some check-ins throughout the day. Hey guys, so this is my first check-in today. It's been about 5 hours or so, roughly 12 o'clock. My forehead's still looking pretty good. Nose getting a little shiny. My pores on the other hand, they still look pretty good and blurred. I think I did a good match in terms of the color, and I can still see a nice glow to my cheeks. So doing pretty good so far. So right now it is 6:30. I basically had this on for 12 hours now. When I put this on, 6:45, 6:50, closer to 7. So it's basically been 12 hours. And taking a closer look at how my face is, before we do that actually, you can see I have a nice like wear to my face right now. It doesn't look overly oily, which I love, because usually during this time, and especially during the summer, it's completely oily. It's not even like a glow anymore. It's complete oil. That's how bad it is. But I can see a nice healthy glow from afar. Up close, on the other hand, let's see. I can see my nose is getting a little bit oily. The forehead's still looking pretty nice. It doesn't look oily. It looks glowy. My pores still look pretty blurred out for a 12-hour day. And again, this is not a foundation, right? It's more of a skin tint. So for a 12-hour day, it's actually not bad around the pore area. It's breaking apart where my nose is, like around the sides here. And again, I have like a nice glow right here. It doesn't look overly oily. It looks really, really nice. However, I must say that there is a bit of, I don't want to say breakage necessarily, but because I obviously wear a mask, it did take away some of the product. Now, again, because this is a light coverage foundation, I didn't really expect it to really last all day. I could probably maybe push this for maybe like about 6 hours of wear. For a full 12-hour day, not so much. Especially when wearing a mask, it's definitely going to take away some of the product. So I'm wondering how this will perform during the summertime when it's a lot more hotter out and sweaty and everything. I'm pretty sure it's going to take more of the skin tint foundation out. But again, for a 12-hour day, not bad. I wouldn't push it more than 6 hours, like I said. I don't hate this. I also don't love it. But I will only probably use this for days where I just want to even out my skin tone, just need to go out and get groceries or something. I wouldn't wear this for a night out with the girls, or if I was on a date, or even work. I feel like for those types of nights and days, I need something that's a lot more long-lasting. So with this, I wouldn't really recommend it for that. But again, if you're the type of person where you just want to walk out to the grocery store, or if you just like a light coverage in general, go ahead. I really like this. Again, not for long periods of the day, but I do like this. So those are my thoughts on it. Don't really hate it, don't love it. Depending on the days and what I would use this for, sure. But anyways, those are my thoughts. I think we can all agree, right? It looks really nice and everything. Yeah? Okay. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I need to get out of these clothes. Thanks a lot, phone. I am warm, I need to get changed, I'm hungry, it's almost that time of the month. There's a whole lot of stuff going on here right now. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next one, but before you actually leave, make sure you check out these other 2 videos right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!